when I got this offer letter and this I-20, so on that I-20 it is written that my PhD program is of duration of 5 years.
Okay.
So it means like they have granted me a visa of duration of 5 years. So it means, yeah, so maximum is 5 years, but students do finish before 5 years also, depending upon like how fast they work. And when it comes to tuition fees and these things, so it means most of the PhD programs are fully funded. So it means
Okay.
you don't have to, yeah, so you don't have to submit any fees or for tuition or anything like that. And you do receive funding on the basis of your TA, like you do
Yes.
TA, the teaching assistant, you do because your first year you kind of survive through the TA. So I'm also doing TA. I'm a lab associate. I conduct lab for the students. And they kind of provide me something like 1700 per month,
Okay.
US dollars.
Yes, sir.
And I think this is pretty much good, because see, uh, when I'm living in an apartment. That apartment cost is around 500 US dollars. So
Okay.
it means and the food that is kind of food just costs around 200 and 250 US dollars. So it's kind of, you can kind of very much survive here.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So because if you are not living a very lavish lifestyle, then you can survive here easily. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. And you can save money also. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is there only TA assistantship, or the RA is also there? That is called a research
Yeah.
assistantship. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, RA is also here, but the thing is, university doesn't provide RA to students. It's the it is the professor who's kind of group provides the RA. So the research group of particular professor, when he got the funding, then
Mhm.
that research group provides the RA. But that happens when you join that particular group for like
Mhm.
PhD position. So yeah, so it's like my professor told me like, you don't have to do TA, you can join to my department. But the problem is, when you are joining a particular department and you are getting your this RA, problem is like, let's say after 1 year you feel like you are not kind of liking that work. So it's
Mhm.
not good to switch to department when you are getting the RA.
Mhm.
So it means it's better to explore department first and getting the TAs, then choose the RA position. Yeah. So it's like that.
But usually this TA will be provided during working semesters, in the sense in spring and fall. But how do you manage in summer semester and winter session? So
Yeah.
those
So
2 3 months.
3 months are there. So actually in this like in my this application, although this TA position is for 9 months, so 3 months are there. So it means like you do have the options to work as a TA for this 3 months also.
Okay.
So they said this like and you will get the same stipend that you were getting for those 9 months. So so it means like, yeah, you do have the options for as a TA to work for this 3 months also.
3 months.
Yeah. So we do have a qualifier exam. It's called as comprehensive exam here. So it
Mm-hmm.
happens after your coursework is over. It's like,
Mm-hmm.
so it means the coursework is of 2 semester long. And like aside the coursework, you do have to have this research rotation also. It means like for the first semester I'm having two coursework, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm having a research rotation as well.
Okay.
So it's like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Is there any
So
credit requirement for this qualifier examination? You need to complete this many of credits courses for to appear for this qualifier examination.
it's like there are core courses that you have to complete.
Mm-hmm.
Like one is the quantum mech, the stat mech, the classical mech, and electromagnetism, these things. So
Okay.
yeah, these are the like basic courses that you have to have the knowledge of, so that you can. So then your comprehensive exam will be there. It's a like 2 hour long exam, and
Mm-hmm.
it's oral exam. You don't have to write anything. So it's kind of
Okay.
oral exam, the interview thing. So there would be three professors sitting, and they will be kind of throwing questions on you, and you are
Mm-hmm.
kind of answering them.
Okay.
So it's like that. So once you have finished that comprehensive exam, then you can enrolled as a PhD student.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, so it's like that. And so yeah, it means like we do have these core courses that we have to complete. Then
Mm-hmm.
after that we have to give a comprehensive exam, then
Okay.
we can like kind of enrolled as a PhD student. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Shekhar, it's been like 6 months there. How was your experience at Arizona State University and your research life?
Research life is okay. I think I don't have that much pressure here for like first semester. I feel like that coursework is pretty much okay. It's not
Mm,
that much complicated, or like research rotation is also okay, because the research rotation is just to make you comfortable. It's not like putting pressure on you.
yeah.
Yeah, so that you are kind of feel what is the research kind of thing. For in our group, we do have a meeting. We meet on every weekend
Mm-hmm.
on and we kind of discuss like what progress has been gone so far in the same discipline. What is kind of research that is going on, what are the different like kind of open topics that we can work on, these kind of things that we discuss. And it happens once in a week for or every week. So yeah, so it's kind of good, pretty much good. Yeah. And I feel like this is very much similar to the kind of environment that I had at TIFR.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is exactly same. This is exactly same. Yeah, because at TIFR also, but because since in TIFR we were coming from bachelors, so
Mm-hmm.
we had quite a huge coursework.
Mm-hmm.
we I remember we had to complete 100 credits there. Then after 2.5 years, then we can enroll as a PhD student. But since I'm coming right after from masters here,
Mm-hmm.
and then it means I just have a 1 year coursework and then I can move on. And
Yes.
you, and if you feel like, let's say you are pretty much comfortable in classical mechanics, like it means you have already covered the topics that are needed to be covered for the classical mechanics, then you can ask professors that I, yeah, so I
You
have
can
good
skip those
exposure of,
courses.
you can skip.